It's, let me check the time now. Oh my god, it's 1. It's 1. Eat something before I go out so that I'm not like tired and hungry outside. So what's up, guys? So I finally left the house and we're going to Acropolis. So Acropolis is the biggest mall in Lithuania and also in the Baltic states, I think so. This particular Acropolis here in Vilnius. So that's where we're going today. I'm walking because exercise. Because exercise. And guys, I actually found out that the only thing that works for my tummy to go down a bit is not only like the food I eat as well and eating early, but most importantly walking. Walking helps me. I don't want to run because I feel like I've lost some weight, so I don't want to lose like so much weight, but walking definitely helps. I think that's the only thing that I found that works for me, aside like other things that I eat, and of course exercise. So this is my form of exercise, especially for the tummy, not the upper belly, but you know, the lower belly. Yeah, but yeah, and also the tea and warm water, like warm tea, warm water. I'm not a tea fan, but you see that thing that I mixed in the morning, right? Yeah, these are the things that help me. I can also normally add lemon to that, but I already had lemon water before I made that turmeric and ginger garlic paste tea drink. Yeah, so these are the things that I know that helps me with my tummy. So let me know what you guys are using apart from exercise. You see, summer is almost here. I deviate. Summer is almost here, guys. So it's getting warm, but it's not warm. I can see I'm wearing jacket. I'm wearing jacket, and if you look, many people are wearing jacket, but it's getting a bit warm. And the flies, this is one thing I don't like about summer. Flies. I don't like flies. I don't like insects. I just don't like them. I don't like them. I just okay. But yeah, I don't like insects. I don't like flies. And summer is coming. If summer is here, you know it's insect and fly time. But yeah, that's it. Do you see how beautiful everywhere is looking? The green, the trees are out, flowers and stuff. But yeah, it's still raining, and I pray it doesn't rain. God, please hold this rain till I'm back. I'm not gonna spend so much time. But yeah, let's go to Acropolis. I'm almost there. Story of how I started reading books in this particular bookstore. So normally, like, they have books there and you can actually come and read it as long as you're not taking it out. You can sit down there and read it. So I think back in 2017, I can't remember right now, seriously, but then I wanted to like get into the habit of reading, right? And I was still studying at the time. I think, yeah, I was still studying, and it was during the time like after my bachelor degree and the time I was supposed to start my master's. So there was like the 6 months gap. Guys, I was living here. I would literally shower, like eat breakfast and come here to sit down and read books. I will read, like, I read amazing books in this store. So if you're starting to read, if you want to like get into reading, but you don't have books, or you don't have money to buy books right now, you can literally come here. Pegasus, I think they still do it now. And yeah, this is literally how I started reading, by coming here, sitting down and reading. So I think we should go inside there. Let's go inside. guys, I think because of the whole like pandemic, like they don't have chairs anymore for people to like sit and read. So but before this, there was a chair here, and this used to be my spot, but they don't have it anymore. But still, oh, so I don't know if you can come here and read now. I don't think that's still possible because they don't have chairs anymore. But anyway, once the pandemic is over, you can do that. You can definitely do that, and you can as well come and ask them if there is a chair, like somewhere that you can sit, because I still see seats here, but I don't know if they are selling it. So you can definitely check that out. In this store, you buy things for like household, like paints, chairs, sockets, and things like that. So that's where we are now. Guys, do you see how my face is shining? Oh my god. Okay, let's be serious. We came here to buy something. What's up guys? So it's been few days since the last time you saw me. So the last time I was trying to fix like a blind on the window. Let me just show you guys. So guys, this is the blind. The last time you saw me, right, I bought the white one, but apparently it didn't fit the size of my window. So make sure you measure the size of your stuff before you go to buy something. But it didn't work. It was too small, so I returned it and I got this one. And I got this one in like gray, dark gray, and I really like it. I actually prefer it to the white because it gives my room like you know, makes it a bit dark. It makes the room a bit dark, like when I'm sleeping. So, and you know it's summer, so the sun is literally like shining. So this is how this one is. So I really prefer this one. So I'm happy that the white one did not work and this one worked. But yeah, guys, you will not believe what just happened. So today is Sunday, right? And I wanted to make a meal. I wanted to meal prep, right? And I was like, oh my god, this week I want to eat Nigerian African food. So yesterday I was working. I didn't have to, I was not able to go to the African store. By the way, it's getting hot. So I called the African stores this morning. I called like 3, even one in Kaunas, and they said that they are not working on Sunday, and the one in Kaunas cannot come to view news today. So I was just like, oh my god. In fact, I even said, God, what am I going to eat? I was asking God, like, what should I make this week? Because I wanted to have like things that have so much protein in it, right? And I was like, God, what am I going to eat? I really want to eat African food. Like I already planned, and I want to eat plantain porridge and what else? I want to make soup this week. I feel like eating like eba, not eba, but swallow this week. So they said they're not around. I was just wondering, what am I going to do? Like, what am I gonna do? So I better let me just go and make smoothie right now. Make smoothie so that we can start going.
Not coming. Will it not be better for you to go and pray on your own? Then God will answer you. I felt a bit dampened. I felt a bit bad. I just said, God, I cried. I just started praying at that moment, and I said to God, please, if for anything, just for one thing, cause me to have a testimony. And the testimony I want to have, God, let it be from my husband.
Guys, I am back. You don't even know what happened, but we're not even gonna get into that right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go cook. I don't know, I'm a bit tired. Yeah, I feel like just resting, but I think I'll just eat. I have roasted sweet potato and like a little tomato carrot sauce that I made, so I'll just eat that first. I'm just hungry. Okay. What's up, guys? So it's been a few days later, and today by the way, happy new month. Today is the 1st of June. I just came back from a walk, so now I want to make banana muffins, and then stay tuned for that. I'm using a recipe from Kiki Foods, so you can check the recipe out. That's what I'm using. So after that, I'm gonna be making a body scrub, so stay tuned if you want to see the recipe ish for that body scrub. But yeah, let's get making this banana muffins now. But first, I want to make honey granules. You know what honey granules is? Well, I'll show you. Let's do that right now, and then I'm gonna make some banana muffins. Let's go. This is like the one you buy from the store. You buy this one from the store, and this is like not 3 euros, sorry, like 1 point something euro, and you can make it at home very easy. And what I would just say is, you saw in the video I was using like a non-stick pan, but I think the key is to use like a stainless pan. So I actually changed it and put it in a stainless pan, so definitely do that. So I'm just gonna store it now. It is definitely cool. I'm just gonna store it for snacking days. What's up, guys? So the muffin is ready, right? But it's so hot. Did you see it was looking like yummy? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys now how to make the scrub, and I think like this is a coffee scrub. You know what, let me just show you. But this scrub is really good because I do have different what I call them recipes, or different scrub do I call it, structure, recipes, whatever. But this one, guys, this one is so good for like cellulite and, you know, firming your body. I have other ones, but let's make this one. And yeah, let me just show you what we're gonna be using to make it. This is getting hot in Lithuania, guys, and I'm kind of sweating. Not really, I mean, I just finished baking stuff, so I think, you know, if it's too hot, get out of the kitchen. How do they even say that thing? I don't know. So let's get to it, guys. This is why I don't like summer. Do you see that? Help me, Lord.